All right, Bistro Buddy fans, we're here back at the Big E, and we're with Oksana here of Odors, and she is the business owner here. And tell us, how long have you been in business and doing this Odors?
So I've been selling I've been selling Odors here at the Big E for the past 17 years, and this has been my own business for the past 10 years. I took over from somebody I previously worked for, so this is my 10th year doing this.
10 years that so you're a veteran.
Yes, I am. Everybody around me moved around, like I have different vendors, but I've been here at the same spot for 10 years.
Yeah, so I guess you know that this is the best spot to have. You're going to keep coming back here. So tell us about your product and then give us a little demo, and we'll go over what's the history, a little history, maybe how you started the company, and then about the product, and then give us a demo.
Okay, yeah. So I was 16 years old. I was looking for a job, walking around here at the Big E with my brother, and we saw a couple old gentlemen here who were setting up their booths, so we asked them if they needed help. And they were like, no, we're good. So we started walking away, and then they're like, wait a minute, come back. So we started talking. They're like, you're kind of young. Are you sure you want to sell an odor product? I'm like, yeah, I could sell anything. Like, I've been in sales since I was 13. I used to sell shoes. I'm like, I could sell an odor product. So I started working for them. I started coming back every year because I was really good at it. I love the product. It's a natural product, you know, and it works very well. So I started coming back, and I've been doing this ever since. So a little bit about the product. It's called Odors. It's an all-natural product. It's made of plant extracts, things like peppermint, lemon, eucalyptus. There's no perfume, chemical, or enzyme, so it's super safe. You can even use it on animals. It's safe around kids. It's safe to breathe in. You could even use it on yourself. You know, sometimes we all smell a little bit, so spray yourself down. It's not going to harm your skin. There's no allergic reactions, like no rashes or anything like that. It's not going to stain or ruin any fabrics. It does not leave an oily residue. You just apply it to whatever is causing the odor, and it biodegrades the odor. And then once it's done doing its job, it gets rid of its own scent, so it leaves a neutral, clean smell. So I use it in things like laundry, floor wash, my car. You know, I had a dog who got sprayed before. All I did was wash him down with water, sprayed the Odors on him.
So it's a great skunk. If you get skunked?
Yeah, if it works on that, it works on anything.
Yeah, those Pepe Le Pew, they be coming at you, so maybe you have a bottle of this on hand. Yeah,
you just rub it into the dog's fur and let him air dry, and it will get rid of that odor in less than 10 minutes. And I guarantee it, I've done it myself. So it really does an amazing job at eliminating odors. I mean, people use Febreze, which only masks odors, and I don't believe in that stuff at all because the smell comes back, and then you smell like poop and flowers. So
yeah, there you go. It's just like, yeah, rose-colored poop. Rose-colored poop.
Exactly. So this stuff here is amazing. If you have odor problems, you know, this is the only product I've been using for the past.
Well, I have an RV now. So, like, you know, obviously it's an RV, so, you know, you kind of do your thing and clean it and try and keep the odor down in the summer and the heat. But, you know, we add the chemicals, so it's sort of almost the same thing. But this might, you know, help out people maybe in their RVs, particularly at these shows a lot, coming out all these shows. That might be a good thing to have.
Also, you can add it into the holding tank. All you need is
really in the holding tank.
Yeah, so that whenever you flush that out, you put this in there, and it will maintain the freshness of that, so it won't.
And does that help with the enzymes and the bio too? Is it, you know, because it?
Yeah.
It's the best to biodegrade and break down the waste rather than just cover up.
Right, exactly. It's going to break down that odor, and it's not going to smell like that odor. It's just going to be like a neutral, clean smell.
I love it. And I came from the janitorial world and the cleaning, so we were always looking for clean products in that industry as well. Especially in industry, big buildings, they have, like, everything has to be green clean these days, and most of the manufacturers, you can't bring bleach anywhere now. It is forbidden. Listen, and I'm also in the food industry, as you know, so you can't have bleach in a kitchen. You can't anymore. Things are totally different. You have to have these green clean products. So does this help in the food industry as well? Is it backed by you know, killing viruses and germs as well, or?
So it does have
Or just the
antibacterial
odor.
properties. It has lemon, peppermint in it.
That's great. So it does have antibacterial. Obviously, it's not going to be your first line of defense, but it's great to cover up the smell that comes from those offenses. It'll help a little bit, but you definitely want to hit with something else.
So I have candles too that they're great for cooking
Ooh.
odors, great for smoking odors, any kind of odor in the air. Once you light this, it neutralizes the odor in the room as it burns. So you're like my friend says, he'll be smoking a cigarette in his room and then has a candle lit. You walk into his room, you can't even tell that he's smoking because this continuously neutralizes that odor. And it's really awesome candle.
That's great.
And it's soy wax, so it's healthier for you. It burns slower and lasts longer. This one is about 50 hours and all you need is about 20 minutes to notice the difference.
50 hours is about the same thing as those electric things that they give you, the disposables too. So I mean, that's just right there and comparable. And then you were also going to do a demo for us too.
Yeah, so I use ammonia and mimics cat and dog urine. So I spray it on the cotton ball. You just make sure that it's on there. Don't get a big whiff. I don't want you to pass out. Okay, just make sure that it's on there. Okay, that's the ammonia. Do you smell that?
Yeah.
It smells like cat pee.
Yeah.
And then
We all know what the cat. It's like the cappy is.
Yeah, you saturate it with the odor gun. It starts working right away. It starts breaking down that odor. So here you go.
Definitely gone.
And then once it dries, it's gonna completely dissipate because it, just gets rid of its own scent. This cotton ball is actually gonna smell like a brand new cotton ball. And I'm not gonna lie, sometimes we reuse ours because, recycle.
Well, my RV's here, so I might have to get one and then give it a go today. I mean, I'm smelling good in there, thank God. I didn't really do much business quite yet, so it's still good. But listen, it's still fresh. But listen, if you can keep up on it, then
Definitely, we'll hook you up with a bottle for sure. You're gonna love this stuff.
awesome. Thank you so much for showing your product. And where can everybody find you? You have a website and you have social. So what's your handles and where can they find you?
So I have my own website. It's www.odorisgone.net. I also am on Facebook. My page name is Odor is Gone, and I'm also on Instagram, Odor is Gone.
Awesome. And then where do you distribute out of? You just take care of that on your own? And
I take care of it on my own. I'm local in the Springfield area, and I ship from home. So if you need to pick some up, there's always an option to meet up with me, or I could drop it off, or you could come pick it up.
there you go. We got local drop-offs and then shipping right to you. Odor gone. Thank you so much for talking with us, and we'll see. Have fun at the Big E.
Yes, have fun.
All right, Bistro Buddy fans. Bye.